Julius is pretty easy to get started with. It only takes a few steps. But for those that want a bit more customization, let's show you how to set up Julius that works for you. If you didn't know it yet, there's a lot of options in the Settings tab in Julius. Let's show you how to get there. Go to Settings at the top right and go to General. Here, you can choose which appearance you want, dark or light, the particular model that you want to use if you have one that you really like, and select multiple things such as showing the code, doing real-time web search, advanced reasoning, and more. When you go to expand resources, you can select the size of your container, select between standard or memory boost. Next is Customize Julius. Here you can tell Julius how you want your responses to be, whether it's responding in your native language such as Spanish or Mandarin, or asking Julius to round to the nearest dollar and always using the $sign when working with dollar amounts. You can even tell it wherever possible, create beautiful graphs with legible axes labels. When it comes to chart themes, check out our last video on this topic. But here, you can choose a theme you want to apply to your visualizations, or even customize it based on color, line width, and anything that you really need. This is a great way to match the branding of the organization that you are part of. And last is Secret Keys. Julius allows integrating and pulling data from your favorite tools. Check out our Secret Keys video to learn more details on it. Do you want to give it a try with your team? Sign up for Julius today and let us know how you like it. And if you have any other feature requests, let us know in the comments below.